GoDaddy promo codes. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on GoDaddy promo codes. Now let's get right into the tutorial. First website for GoDaddy promo codes is Forbes. So go ahead and open the official webpage for Forbes, that is Forbes.com, and on the left side toolbar you will see the option for coupons. Tap on that and in the interface that you will be led to, you will see a search bar. Tap on that and search for GoDaddy. You will then be shown with a bunch of promo codes, so go ahead and tap on any of the promo codes that is best suited for you and further copy the code and paste it in GoDaddy. The next website for GoDaddy is Routers. Open routers.com in your web browser and in the search bar search for GoDaddy. You will further be shown with all the active codes for GoDaddy. Simply tap on the Get Code option you see there to get the code, and then tap on the Copy button to copy the code and paste it further in GoDaddy. The third website for GoDaddy promo codes is couponfollow.com. So open CouponFollow and further search for GoDaddy in here. You will then be led to the interface where you will find a bunch of coupon codes for GoDaddy. Tap on the coupon code that suits you the best, and these are the three websites for GoDaddy promo codes. If you find this tutorial helpful, please make sure to like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.